Guys, this is Jeff here. I'll be showing you the functions of the Awakening bot, and by the end of this tutorial, I hope you will know how to use this bot. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing on the bot, the very first function is the server names. So what you want to do here is you want to select the server that you're playing on right now. So I'm playing on Insanity Flyff. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Next, you want to select the suppositions, click that, and you want to click on and then like a new message will pop up. What you want to do now is you want to put your mouse over the item that you want it to awake, and then press enter on your keyboard. Now a newer message will pop up saying set awake. What you want to do here is put your mouse over scroll over awakening and press enter again, and then the last message will say set cancel. What you want to do here is you want to put your mouse over the scroll of reversion and then you press enter. Now you're done with setting up the position of the items and scrolls. What you want to do next is you want to click on the nothing tab, and you want to select the desired stats that you want it to stop at. So for example, let's say I want my awakening to be higher than strength plus 10. So what I want to do here is to change the 0 to 10, because as I said earlier, I wanted the awakening to be strength plus 10 or higher than that. So yeah, so if you wanted to set dex plus 10, you should just click the nothing tab and then click on the DX dex and put 10 over there, or whatever amount of stats that you want it to be. Hi guys, welcome back. I forgot that I have left out two other functions, so I'll be explaining them in a minute. So the first function is the auto parent awake count. What this function does is that in other servers it has the /awake command, and it will awake the very first item that that's in your inventory. And yeah, so what you want to do is you want to type /awake, and then there's a speech bubble next to the word characters, and then you want to drag that speech bubble out and then put it on F5. And then you would drag the parent on the F6. Now you check the auto parent awake count and then select and then input how many times of awake you want it to be. For example, if you want it to be 1500, you would just put 1500. Then you would select the desired awake that you want it to be and the amount too. So, and then just press start, and then I guess that's pretty much about it. So for the other function is the expert mode. What expert mode does is that it will delay the time between the first awake and the second awake. For example, let's say after this bot does the first awake, it will wait to whatever second that you input it here. For example, if I put 2.5 seconds, which is the longest in this expert mode, after the first awake, it will stop for 2.5 seconds before it goes on again, and then the cycle will repeat. Yeah, so basically this is set up for people who doesn't want to spend awake, maybe because awakening scroll might cost a lot, like maybe expensive in other servers, so or for whatever reasons that they have. So yeah, so these are the two functions. Yeah, pretty much about it. So in the next section, in the next clips, you're gonna see the bot in action. Okay, hi guys, welcome back. If you have successfully set up the bot, you will now put the bot in action. And how do you do that? All you have to do is press start, or you can hold control and press F12. I'm going to click start. So right now, as you can see here, I'm not doing anything, and the bot is auto waking for me, and that's pretty awesome. And the bot will stop as soon as the awaken is higher than strength plus 20, which is quite hard. So we're gonna wait for a little. As you can see, the awakening is changing. I mean, you can see the awakening right here, and if you can't see the awakening over there, um, below the stop button, then that means the bot isn't working at all. So you need to contact Menox or go on forum and post about the bug on the certain server. So but it should work on every server unless there's updates on the server, and like maybe it changes the code or something like that. I'm not sure. But if you don't have that awakening on below the stop button, you should like contact Menox, yeah, or go on forum and just create a new post about like saying that it doesn't work on a certain server. And that's pretty much about it. And yeah, see you guys in the next part. Welcome back. I'm in Flyff right now, and in this last clip, I'm gonna show you that this awakening bot works in other several server as well, and yeah, and I will also explain the two other functions that's included in the bot. So the function I'm gonna show you now is the single scroll. What single scroll means is the blessing of godness, which means it auto wakes CS for you. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. So first, you put in the server, whatever server you're on, and then select the window number. Then you set positions. Now, when it asks you to set it as an item, just put the CS item, and then press enter. And in the awake, set it as a blessing of godness. So, and then press enter again. And now it said cancel, just ignore it. Press OK anywhere, doesn't matter. And then now, because I want to also show you expert mode, so as I explained it earlier, just put how many seconds that you want it to delay between the first awake and the second awake, and I'm gonna put it 2.5 seconds, so it's kind of obvious. And I'm gonna switch back to 0 seconds so you guys can see the difference. So yeah, and set up the desired stats. Now press start. So now it's auto awaking for me, and I'm not doing anything at all. As you can see below the start button, you should see the awake. That shows that it is fully working. And if it does not show, please post on forum so Menox can fix it. So yeah, so it will stop once it reaches higher than 100 strength. So I'm gonna stop for now, and I'm gonna put 0 second cooldown. Okay, to show you the difference. Hi guys, this will be my last clip of the video. I hope you have now know how to use the functions of the bot, and if you have more questions, you can ask them on forum or ask me or Menox. And this will be my last server that I'm gonna show you, because all the other servers are kind of bugged, or they have been shut down, or something's wrong with their server and I couldn't get on it. But however, if your server is not included in the list, you can ask Menox or post it on forum. Yeah, so yeah, see you guys.